In case you were wondering, this was Jack Sparrow's first reaction when he sat down to do the AST Short Response. So let me fill you in so you don't react the same way. The short response is a test in which you have to provide short written responses to questions. You have 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete this test. There are 19 to 25 questions which are grouped into units, and they're testing for thinking and reasoning. You will be asked a range of things in these questions, such as for interpretations, explanations, and justification of responses, or points of view. Each unit in the test contains questions that are either quantitative or verbal. Quantitative questions include stimulus that may include graphs and tables, maybe logic puzzles and problems, it could be mathematical problems, or they could relate to the scientific method. Verbal questions include things like image analysis and interpretation, factual prose and creative prose, poetry, and argument. So what is this test actually trying to determine? Well, it's looking for your skills in reading literacy, visual literacy, critical thinking, research and investigations, your skills in data analysis and interpretation, and your critical numeracy. If you're feeling a little bit like you have no idea what you're doing, that's okay. Let me give you a few tips. When you're approaching a unit, read the information in that unit carefully. Read the questions in the unit carefully and in detail. Underline and highlight key information. You should be writing on your paper, highlighting, underlining, circling. Make sure that you annotate the information you have to respond to. When you're approaching a question, remember that you are being marked on your understanding and analysis, not on your writing skills. Ensure that you communicate your answer clearly. Don't be afraid to use dot points when answering questions. Be concise. Don't waffle. And above all, make sure you answer the question that they are asking. Do not make up your own question. With a bit of practice and some training, you got this.